We'll see, we've got our next vehicle coming out here. We've got Ian Gore in this 1969 Ford pickup with the beautiful paint job.
Woohoo! Oh yeah, let's see a real stylish looking Ford.
Hey, this truck did quite well at our last tough trip.
All right.
We're gonna give him another chance at our first chance out here today. 1969 Ford with Ian Gore.
I'm shaking like a son of a bee. I need to sit down.
Green flag. He's coming around, laying into it.
Oh no, hit the shit out of me.
Oh, look at that. Oh! Head first. That's what you want to see right there. He's not afraid to use this truck, ladies and gentlemen. That's a tough truck and a tough driver. Let's see if the logs claim him too. He's checking it out though. He's like, let me see how to handle this one here. Hit it hard, he says. He's up and over. That's the left round. Yeah! Ian Gore shows us how it's done, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, that was a good fun time for Ian. He got right over them points. And he got that. Look at the van. The van needs a little bit of body.
That's right. Well, we've got a couple body men here.
It died.
Bill's telling us
I told him to say.
who's our next tough